Today's skill is all about breaking through and extending the boundaries. Oftentimes people refer to the skill as thinking outside the box. I don't particularly like that phrase, thinking outside the box, because it's a little bit cliche, but I do like thinking outside the paradigm. So going beyond the constraints. Now, constraints have been shown in the research to be extremely beneficial in creativity, that having some sort of structure is really helpful. But today, we're going to break through the structure and we're going to break through those constraints. So what you're going to need today is either Adobe Photoshop, a picture that you like, and a sheet of paper. Pause the video and come back when you're ready to go. So Barney, I see you have your picture there.
Yeah, he spoke to me.
What did he say when he spoke to you?
Hi.
I was wondering what his voice sounded like.
Yeah.
So Barney, you're going to have a minute to draw a picture that goes beyond the picture that you already see. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No, I'm going to give this one a shot and see what happens.
Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
No idea what's going on, but that's what came to me. Do they have more time?
And stop.
Okay, I guess I don't.
Great. So Barney, how did you break through and extend the boundaries? What made you think of this picture?
Well, because of the look on his face, he looked kind of just kind of stoic. I don't know, kind of like, And I just felt like he should have his arms folded. And then once I had him that way, I thought, well, why? And I thought, well, if he was surrounded by something else that was making him look this way, we might get more of an insight as to what's going on in his mind. And I think you had talked about birds earlier, and that just brought birds to mind, to surround him with birds. He could have been with other dogs, with cats, whatever, but that's just what it came out in this minute that I had.
Excellent. So take a picture of your picture, and then you can either erase it or you can get a new sheet of paper and take that same picture, Barney, and put it on a new sheet for me.
Okay, let me make a new background. There we go. Okay.
And in the essence of divergent thinking and producing lots of ideas and enjoying and using fantasy, I'm going to ask you to do another breakthrough, extend the boundary photograph of your beautiful little dog.
Okay.
I think you can do that?
Yeah, let me see if I can add this so I can do that. Okay. And same instructions or something different?
Sure, same instructions. You could also, if you want to move your picture in a different way or on a different part of the paper, that might create a different story just in moving it into a different space.
Aha. So like maybe upside down?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm going to see if, whoop, come back. He went on vacation. Here I'm going to take him, and when you're on the computer, you have to use tools to turn things. When you're doing it without paper, you can do it yourself. So I'm going to rotate him. Whoop, hi there. Hanging upside down. Kind of looks like a bat.
Different upside down.
Yeah, okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
don't know what just happened. Wow. I think what I would do, if I had a scissors, I would change it a bit. Since I don't have the scissors, I'm just going to use white real fast. And that's this head there. So that would be the same as cutting it out.
Yeah. Great. And stop. Tell me about this creature.
I don't know. He just looks like someone I would not want to meet on the street or in my room, but he just took on a different look. I think mostly because of the shape of his head. His eyeballs work both ways, upside down and right side up, and it just sort of became a monster. I think I would work with him. I probably, if I had more than a minute, you know, make his body black and have him blend in more with the color of his head. But he definitely is someone that I hadn't thought about until I saw him upside down.
Okay. Great work, Barney. So we're going to do it one more time. You're going to create a new sheet of paper, take your picture and tape it or copy it straight onto a new sheet. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
All right, go.
Okay, I think that's about what I've got. When all else fails, make background grass.
Stop.
So I looked at the negative space, and that I didn't know what was going to be in there, but when I saw the way his ears went up in the side of his head, I realized I could kind of use that to create something new. And as soon as I pulled the pen across, it became, as you can see, two other dogs. And that's kind of because I have two dogs in my life, I think, who are always hogging the bed. I feel like the guy in the middle saying, why me?
So thank you so much for joining us today on this skill, breakthrough, and extend the boundaries. Please post your picture or your favorite picture of the three on social media, or post all three. We'd love to see them. And use the hashtag #CreateTubeity.